the prop with the pop. Watch. The best build I've ever built just got even better. And seriously, this ST35 Joshua Bardwell Phoenix 2, see if I can do this all in one go. Joshua Bardwell Phoenix 2 camera, Mamba F722 Mini with the EMI shield 1 to 8K with by RPM. And the VTX is the, oh come on, the high voltage Pro 32. I had the scimitars on it, the Avon scimitars, 3.5 to 28 pitch and ×3. Anyway, it handled beautifully, it was amazing. But it's just got even better with these. Look at them. This is what they're pushing because they can't get hold of the scimitars. So they're pushing these. They're DalCyclone 35/28s. Freeze. So, and they are friggin' amazing. I have just saved 2 minutes flight time. 2 minutes. 850 CNHL pack. And I have just got 10 minutes because my flight time is set to 8 minutes. Now don't worry, I ain't gonna make you watch the whole 10 minutes. So 10 minutes out of this. Wow. Forgot to say what the motors were, didn't I? T-motor, get them in focus, you know the ones. T-motor 1404, 3800 kV. You can get GPS. You can get 5 satellites in a room with no doors. I'll show you inside and you can hear what they sound like and see the control. Now I told you that this drone had a GPS inside, didn't I? Check this out. Okay, 1 second. Right, we have 4 satellites. Okay, GPS is flashing nicely. And we are in a friggin' washroom. Where's the windows? Oh, there isn't any. That is how good this TBS GPS is. Yes, doosh, bosh. 4, look at that. 4 satellites, yeah, I mean it's telling me the distance is 600, a long way away, but 4 satellites does that. You need at least 6 or 7, all right?
That's acro mode. Look how stable that is. Angle, and we do some pump.
Engine off. Engines disarmed. GPS lost.
They're not even warm. There you go. Say goodbye. GPS inside. TBS GPS. What a good advert.
It's time to love you and leave you, but these props are mega. Take care, RC Addicts.